Epicflows production.
Epicflows.
Yeah. Babes, I just see the receipts. You just sent me $2,000.
Yeah, babes.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
So, when you send the rest?
What you mean?
I just $2,000 you send. Babes,
Yeah.
I just $2,000 you send.
Yeah, if you buy lunch.
$2,000 can't escape on the toll.
Nobody go on the tour then. Go somewhere where you can get a $2,000 lunch.
Sir, I need more money, period. Hello? Babe? Hello?
Right. Good afternoon.
Then you just hang up the phone for me, sir?
Me disconnect the call. What is the problem?
So you mean to tell me say you really hang up the phone for me?
You want it hang up again? How you take man for?
Money in hand, you're not here with Debbie Burp say.
Burp. B, you better allow me out and go link some next man in your hometown, you know. Cause right now, me feel corrupt.
Corrupt? Good food for Niam. You know see how you look hefty and strong? Me want look fluffy and sexy.
A $2,000 you really a behave suffer? It's like you better me just fatten up myself some more.
It's Epicflows, yeah.
Epicflows production.
Radekal and Big
Epicflows.
Leash, big bad boy Jamaica, you know. Kingston.
You know I rap Epicflows when I step into my clothes.
I just $2,000 you saying.
Give me less attitude, deeper verse.
Money in a hand. You not hear a Debbie Burp say, eh?
Not again.
Money in a hand. You not hear what Debbie Burp say, eh?
Are the fee? Money fee.
Oh. Money fee in a hand. You not hear what Debbie Burp say, Burp?
Burp.
Oh, Burp.
Burp.
Money fee in a hand. You not hear what Debbie Burp say.
Too much pronunciation.
I don't know because I'm trying. Debbie Burp. Debbie Burp. Debbie Burp.
Action.
Then you can go tweet by your hand. Money fee in a hand. I try. Then you can go tattoo it on your forehead. Money in a hand, you're not here with Debbie Burp say. Corrupt. Good food for Niam. You know see how you fat and fluffy. Sorry, I don't want to say fat. I don't want to say
But they're not. Right now, all of my file system corrupt in a system error me I get, you know. So I better you go tell the alphabet if you low G, cause I'm not play them game there. You see it? I'm not play them game there, you see it? Cause I'm not play them game there, you see it? I'm not play them game there, you see it?